Hello and welcome to Volkswagen Van Centre Liverpool. My name's Charlotte and today we'll be taking you around this approved to use Volkswagen ID Buzz GTX, complemented in a deep black paintwork. As a fully electric vehicle, it does offer a range of up to 255 miles and powered by a 79 kWh battery, delivering an impressive 340 PS. With plenty of top features, including your IQ Light LED matrix headlights, parking sensors and rear view camera, and the convenience of an electronic powered tailgate, revealing more than enough boot capacity to store all of your travel essentials and of course charging cables. And luxury is revealed by electric twin sliding doors with a part leather trim inside and contrasting red accents throughout, and even your pull-out trays for those longer trips, with the added bonus as well of your heated outer seats for the winter months that does come with 3 different heat intensities. Moving into the front, you do have your electronic seat adjustments with memory features to get into that required position with ease, followed by the convenience of a multifunctional steering wheel and of course central touch display screen. The modernised edge does continue with your GTX badging and even your full panoramic glass sunroof above. Moving on to the steering wheel in further detail, you do have an array of audio functions, including a heated function for the winter again, and of course your options to navigate around your digital cockpit display with all of your EV information, heated steering wheel and travel assistance features, including your adaptive cruise control. And moving across, you do have your built-in navigation to help you around those unfamiliar areas, with of course your app connect to stay connected on the go, and variation of radio stations which you can enjoy on your Harman Kardon sound system. Again, as this is a fully electric vehicle, you do of course have your on-screen EV information with the option to optimise. And for a tailored driving experience, you do also have a range of different driving modes to suit your needs, alongside the added bonus of your driving assistance features again, including your lane assist and of course the activation of your sensors and camera, with the added bonus of your park assist to help you in those awkward manoeuvres, reducing the chance of any minor bumps. Of course, you do have your on-screen climate controls for a desired temperature all round, with the setting for the rear, 2 front heated seat options, and even your smart climate for maximum comfort. For a personalised touch, you do even have your ambient lighting with your overall moods and individual colour choices, followed below by your electric door controls and pull-out cup holders. Thank you for taking the time to watch this video tour. For any further information regarding this vehicle, please contact our friendly sales team or inquire online now.